Hey guys, this is Jedi Sa with Verbal Traders. I just want to make a review of my trade for today. I took Gild, Gild, and it was pretty good. I did a ratio of 3 to 1 based on the number, but I hit R4. So what this number represents is what I actually hitting on the numbers on my target numbers. But this ratio represents the actual money that I made. So I had a one winner, two losers, and once again, you know, the ratio, I ended up positive because of the ratio. So, like everybody knows, risk to reward ratios work pretty much. Anyway, so let's see what I did. So here's the trade. I already marked everything, so it's easier to explain. So the stock, let me draw a little bit. So the stock pretty much sell off in the morning. Pop, sell off, find a bottom here. So then started pulling back, hit the VWAP one time, hit a level here that I have marked, go back, hit the VWAP, another level, VWAP, so forth, so forth. So it's hitting this level, and it's making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So it's forming a triangle pretty much. So this is one of my strategies that I always look for. It's not really, it doesn't look like it, but this is what I call a reversal VWAP triangle. And the triangle would be right here, but in this case, it wasn't really a triangle. But I saw it. It was the best one at that time. I didn't see anything else going on, so I decided to take it. And also because I'm testing my strategy. So this is a strategy I'm testing. I'm taking half. So if my system, this one right here, if my system tells me, right, when I calculate the numbers, my sister tells me that I need to buy 300, for instance, right? So my strategy is I buy 50% at that point, right? And then when it confirms, I buy the next 50%. So I add 50%. And this, for the last couple of weeks, for the last week and a half actually, it's been working very good for me. So here, so for instance, my stop was right there at the beginning, right? But because I buy only 50% of the shares, my stop becomes way over here. So if it fails, I can make a decision if I wanted to continue to hold or if I want to get out with 50% of my risk. So if my risk is 100, I'm only risking 50 bucks, right? But if it confirm it, like right there, when it confirm it, I add the next half of the original position. So now my stop becomes right there, and now we're talking. So then after I put the second one, I hit R2. I sold 50% of my shares. And then let me see how many shares I have so I can give you some numbers. I bought total of 250 shares, right? So a total 250 shares, 125 here, 125 there, that's 250. Here I sold 125, 50%. Why? It's hitting a level. It's almost hitting a level, so I don't wanna risk it. And then it hit R3 a little bit more. Actually, this is more than R2. Actually, this R2 is like right here, but I sold above R2, so I took 50%, and then this is more than R3, and I sold 25%. So at that point, I have 125 divided by 2. What is that? 60, 62. So I got 62 left right here. So then I sold again. My target was this level right here that I have marked for, I don't know, yesterday, a couple of weeks ago. So I sold half of that, which is 13 or so. And then when I saw that I hit that and I sold this big one and it did some pop out, I said, you know what, 12% is nothing. It was like, I don't know, like 30 something shares. I said, let's get out. So I got out right there. Like my software shows, it was a 3 to 1 on the number, but I actually hit R4 on the actual hits, right? So I hit R4, but if I because every time you take partials, you are reducing your risk, right? You be more conservative, but you are, I'm sorry, the opposite. You're reducing your potential profit, but you are being more safe. Yeah, you are being less riskier, right? So anyway, so that's my trade for today. Uh, that's the trade. I also took another one. Let me clear all this. This is a mistake. Pretty much these two right here, these losers, is Starbucks. And don't do this, guys. I keep doing this all the time, and I keep telling myself not to do it. And then next thing I know, I'm doing it. So Xbox, let's see. Okay, so this is what I was doing. Stupid, man. Don't do this. Don't follow my lead right here. So you can see this clear channel right here, right? So here, and then here, and then my strategy for the end of the day, the last 15 minutes, it actually worked, but I was so pissed at that time that I wasn't even in. But pretty much, I took it somewhere around here so that it break. No, it didn't break. It got me a stop out when it went back somewhere around here. Then I took it again for the second break, thinking that it was gonna go high. Nope, it went down, and I got stop out again. And then I say, you know what? I've seen this before many times. I'm done with this, and I decided to stop. So I was a little annoyed that I lost my some of my profit there. But that's the game, right? Anyways, that's my reviews for today. Bye.